Bus information Golf Juliet Sierra Uniform Echo on the main apron with information Foxtrot QNH 1031. Request taxi, landing card Zulu 350.
Golf Juliet Sierra Uniform Echo bars information. Hello, Squawk 7365, taxi hold Bravo 1 for power checks.
Squawk 7365, taxi hold Bravo 1 for power checks. Golf Juliet Sierra Uniform Echo. Juliet Sierra Uniform Echo, Bravo 1, ready for departure.
Golf Uniform Echo, cross runway 02, taxi hold Bravo 3.
Cross runway 02, taxi hold Bravo 3, Golf Uniform Echo.
Golf Uniform Echo, runway 08 left, V7 100 degrees 8 knots, take off at your discretion.
Runway 08 left, taking off, Golf Uniform Echo.
Yes, please.
Red 72 Echo, pass information flow, pass your message.
Two.
Echo ET135, like I do a turn board just to the west of Middleton at the moment, currently altitude 950 feet, 1031. We're inbound to the area of Wigan and like a basis service station.
Red 72 Echo, the QH 1031, basic service.
1231, basic service, Red 72 Echo, thanks. Golf Uniform Echo, departing northwest, altitude 1,500 feet.
Golf Uniform Echo, basic service.
Basic service, Golf Uniform Echo.
Autopilot.
Oh, you even did that in the climb very successfully. Yeah, cool. We're getting there. I'll be leaning monitor.
All stations, Barton information, new pressures, Manchester QNH 1032, Barton QFE 1030, Barton out.
Golf Uniform Echo, going non-radio.
Golf Uniform Echo, Squawk, conspicuity, speech concealment, traffic believed to be close proximity, to your stand Michael Light, not on frequency.
Squawk conspicuity, speak to you soon, and we'll keep a good look out for that microlight. Thanks, Golf Uniform Echo.
Right, well I believe I've got us doing Middlebrook, Hulton, Barton.
Yeah.
And it's on the Middlebrook, the Hulton leg. Yeah, it's doing it.
I've just started it, descending. On information, this is Golf Juliet Sierra Uniform Echo, request join.
Golf Juliet Sierra Uniform
Approaching waypoint.
Pass your message.
Golf Juliet Sierra Uniform Echo is a Vans RB7, Barton VFR, Middlebrook, 1,700 feet, request join.
Golf Charlie Bravo, runway occupied, report lined up runway 08 left.
Lining up 08 left, change of detail, I'm going to remain in the circuit to request QFE.
Golf Charlie Bravo, QFE 1030.
QFE 1030, lining up, Golf Charlie Bravo.
Golf Uniform Echo, runway 08 left, left-hand circuit, QFE 1030, Squawk 7365.
Runway 08 left, left-hand circuit, QFE 1030, Squawk 7365, Golf Uniform Echo.
I have control. Are you up for a touch and go? Find me and then you land it? Yeah, yeah. Golf Uniform Echo, dead side, descending.
Golf Uniform Echo becoming 3 aircraft in the ATZ. Reports. Downwind.
Copy that, we'll go. Golf Uniform Echo. Golf Uniform Echo downwind.
Golf Uniform Echo 2 ahead. Report final.
Report final, Golf Uniform Echo. So we can do flaps at this speed. And I'm going to do the touch and go with 20. Golf Uniform Echo, final.
Golf Uniform Echo runway 08 left, session 100 degrees 8 knots. Land at your discretion.
08 left for touch and go, Golf Uniform Echo. That power is amazing. Yeah, I think that's the first touch and go I've done with the wobbly prop. Yeah, get rid of them, thank you. Flaps gone. You have control. I have control. Golf Uniform Echo downwind to land.
Golf Uniform Echo 1 ahead. Report final.
Golf Uniform Echo. Golf Uniform Echo, slow safe cruise extending downwind for spacing.
Golf Uniform Echo.
Golf Uniform Echo final to land.
Golf Uniform Echo runway 08 left, your session 100 degrees 7 knots. Land at your discretion.
Landing 08 left, Golf Uniform Echo.
Golf Uniform Echo, I'm ready, taxi to park.
Taxi to park, Golf Uniform Echo.
When you're away, or are you going to have another?
I might have another go actually.
Oil pressure.